I'm going to be hooking up this shower curtain rod that extends out. It's one of these. I got it off Amazon. It's pretty big. It goes and it extends out this way. There's two pieces to it. So I'm going to be installing that. I'm going to take these snaps out that are inside the bathroom. And what this is going to do is this is going to make the shower curtain come outside of the shower and give me about another 6 to 8 inches, which doesn't seem like a lot, but in this little shower, 6 to 8 inches is a mile. So I'm going to start that. All right, overall pretty easy install. I took the snap rings that were in there, and then I just drilled another hole here, and I just used some stainless steel 1/2-inch screws, and this I did that on both sides. Pretty easy install. And then this thing actually comes out like this, and when you put the shower curtain on it, it adds, you know, a good 6 to 8 inches, which may not seem like a lot, but when you have your shower curtain basically here as opposed to here, you know, the shower curtain actually is on the inside here, and this is able to have this be out here. It does, you know, when you're standing in there, it gives you, you know, that 6 extra inches is pretty huge, in my opinion. This thing is all metal, so it's not cheesy plastic. It's pretty solid. I did have to bore this down though. This I had to cut. This end piece, I actually had to cut it because I believe it was 40 inches. I think it was 40 inches. It was much longer, and I couldn't push it. I couldn't. If I left it the way it originally was, I wasn't able to do this, where I could put it back. It was too big. And so I actually had to cut this. I cut off probably about 2 inches of it, and then I had to take a stop bit. I don't know if anybody knows what a stop bit is, but look it up. And if you notice here, I had to bore that out to make it fit back in here, because the end piece that was here was tapered so that this would fit, and when I cut it off, it wasn't tapered anymore. So I used a stop bit, bored that out, and now this goes in here. This one hand, yeah. This goes in here now, and then I can do this. Okay. And I'm going to need to drill another hole here and fasten this, because there's a screw on top here that holds this together. I'm going to need to put something in here. I was thinking of maybe just drilling a hole straight through and then put like a cotter pin in there, because I'd like to be able to take this off if I need to. Not that it's a big deal, but so let me put the shower curtain on there. This is the final product of the shower curtain install. Shower curtain rod install. It's actually an extender. You get this on Amazon, and that's what it's called. And you can actually just look up, I don't remember the name of it. The actual name is like RV shower extender. And there's a few that come up. This is the only one that's actually metal, and that's why I went with it. And it's about